if I'm swapping it, I'll be getting $202.43. So it means that like I spent 186 to get 0. So let's do this. I'm coming. Yeah. So I welcome you all to my channel. The names remain the same. Crypto Lord. Yeah. So I welcome you all to my channel. You can see that I'm not feeling well. I'm having some headache. You can see it through my face and through the sound I'm making right now. Yeah. So today I want to flip $100 to $1,000. Some people will be saying that like how. So I'll show you what we've been needing to do it, and everything that you have in place to make this successful. So I will just everything on board before we'll go straight to my screen, and I will do it for you to see. Because today I want to do a vlog. I want to do how I flip money. I flip money. I want to do it like a vlog. Yeah, you see. And I don't normally use the black market. I don't normally use it. I use it like some days. I use it. Yeah, so that thing. And we have strategy for you to use that thing. So this one, if you're a student, the reason why if you're a student, I don't give it to you if you don't request is that it's not part of the course. It's a bonus to the course. So after giving you the course and the black market platform are bonus to the course. So if you request for it or if you're good or okay with the course, that one is okay. But if you want the black market to make more money and you ask me, I will add it to the course. Yeah. So I want to flip 100 to 1,000, yeah. So first of all, you have to get the black market platform, black market app, to Bybit or Binance, Bybit or Binance, 3, get black market, Bybit or Binance. 3, like know the strategy. If I say know the strategy, I will tell you, like I will talk more about it. Strategy. Know the strategy. Yeah. So this is what we'll be doing. We'll be using it to make our money. Yeah. So we'll be using the black market and this and that. So right now on Bybit, I think Solana is 233. 233 is 233, and on the black market is 253. I think 253 or something like that. 253. So it means that buying here, buy it here and sell it here, you'll be getting what? Additional what? $20. $20 per trade. I hope you get it. Yeah, so you're getting $20 per trade. Yeah, because on Solana, like on Bybit, Solana is 233 and on the black market is 253. So buying it here and selling it here, you'll be getting profit of what? $20. And when this one here, I'll say it for free. Yeah, but to get all the strategies and everything as part of the course. Yeah. So after the course, and you say, okay, bro, I want the black market to also trade it, to also apply the knowledge I learned from the course to it. Yeah, then I'll give you the black market platform as well. Yeah. So you buy it here and sell it here. And some people say that, like, if you are selling it, like they will deduct you a lot, blah blah blah. So selling Solana to other platforms, use BEP20 to do your transactions. Yeah, BEP20 to do it, and you will thank me later. So imagine getting $20 per trade, and BEP20 deducts, let's say $1 or 1.58. How much are you still earning? You're earning, I think, 18.42. You see, as your take-home profits. You see, yeah. So that's how it is. So today, I just want to be in the office, make some money, and as well, I will also show you, like on the phone screen, where I'm buying it, where I'm selling it, and everything. Yeah. And the black market, if you're a student and you don't have access to the black market, it means that you never requested for it. If you requested for it, I'll give it to you. And you have to know that this one is different from my course. This one is black market, and this one can make you in money, let's say, like more money. Yeah, you can get more profit on it. Yeah, because my platform, the highest profits that you can make for, let's say, $100 is like, let's say, $10 or $15. You see, but using black market, you can earn, let's say, $50 per one trade, $100 per one trade. Yeah, depending on how strategy you are using. Yeah, depends. Yeah, sorry, I'm having some headache, that's why. Yeah, use that thing. Yeah, so no time to waste. Let me go to my laptop screen and let me start cashing out. And I'll put the screen. I'll put screenshots on the platform. Yeah, because me, like, if I do live trading, people normally want to see the links and everything. Yeah, and if they see the links to they will not access to the course and everything. But that one's not my problem, bro. Yeah. So all I have to do is just teach what I've learned, and some people can learn it. Some people can sign to my mentorship, and I'll guide them. That's it. Yeah. So no time to waste. Let me go to my phone screen and let's continue. Okay.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, hey. I used to grind 95, feeling trapped. Yeah. But then I found a way to break the map. Online opportunities to make some real cash. Now my bank account is looking less. Making money online, it's the way to be. Financial freedom is the...
Yeah, so I'm about to enter trade, and I'll be using black market and Bybit to do it. Yeah, so if I check Bybit right now, Bybit buying one Solana. Buy one Solana. Let me see. Buy one Solana on over here. My one Solana is right now is $232.79, or let's say $233. So for me to get actual $20 per the trade that I did on the board, I have to buy one Solana. Yeah, so right now the capital I'm starting with is just 186.23. Let's say 180s. Yeah, let's say 180s. Yeah, I'll be using 180s to start. Yeah, so if I buy 180s, I'll be getting 0.8 Solana, because the money I have is not up to 232 to get one Solana. You see, yeah. So buying the full Solana will cost me $232. But in this case, I have only $186 in the account. Yeah, I have more, but I just want to flip $100 to $1,000. Yeah, so I will not use not 200. I'll use 100 plus. Is that thing? Yeah. So let me buy 0.8 Solana. 0.8 Solana will give me. So if I'm spending 186 Solana, I'll be getting 0.8 Solana. Yeah. So 186 USDT will give me 0.8 Solana. So right now I have 0.8 Solana in my Solana accounts. I spent 186 USDT to get this 0.8 Solana. I hope you are getting it. Yeah. So when I go to the black market platform, like one Solana over here is 253 USDT, 253 USDT, 253.34 USDT. So all I have to do is what? Copy my USDT deposit address, that's TRC20 address, but me, I prefer the BEP20 address. So I copy the BEP20 address on the black market platform, and I'll take you to Bybit to transfer my Solana to here. Yeah, you see, the Solana also use BEP20 address. Yeah, you have to know this. Yeah, so in this case, I'm not transferring the USDT to it. I'm transferring the Solana. I'm transferring 0.8 Solana to this platform, to the black market platform. And people, like, you see, there are a lot of people prawning this platform market, and it's not real, it's not legit. You see, this platform have been there for two years, something like that. Yeah, and it's still there, and people have been cloning it to scam people. It's right thing. So you have to be vigilant. Yeah. And doing black market, you have to also adapt strategy, and the strategy to, if like, that's why it's called black market. You see, that's why it's called black market. So you have to adapt a strategy to trade, and all these things is in the course, the bonus course. Yeah, it's in it. Yeah. So after the course, and you request the black market, I'll give to you, and I'll also give you the strategy and everything. Yeah. So I'll be sending 0.8 Solana to my black market platform. So I'll copy Solana address, that's BP20 address, and let me go to Bybit to do my transfer. So I'll be sending 0.8 Solana to the black market. Yeah, so it will take 1 to 2 minutes for it to be in the black market platform. Yeah, so when it's in the black market platform, I'm coming. Okay, so when it's in the black market platform, yeah, so right now it's in. Like, I'm just doing a vlog outside. I'm just doing a vlog, so I'll just put in some screenshots on the screen. I'm just doing my trade. This one is not a tutorial, it's a vlog. So you have to know the difference. Yeah, so right now I have 0.870818 in my Solana wallet right now in the black market. So all I have to do right now is what? To swap the Solana for USDT, and I've, like, the Solana I have in my black market is 0.87. So that one, if I'm swapping it, I'll be getting $202.43. So it means that, like, I spent 186 to get 0. So let's do this. I'm coming. So you can do your calculation. So this trade, I'm making around 18 USDT. So 70 to 18 USDT profits I'm making right now. Yeah, because I spent 186 for 0.8 Solana, and if I'm swapping the 0.8 Solana in the black market, I'll be getting 202.43. So it means that I'm making 17 to 18 USDT per one trade. You see, yeah, per one trade. Yeah, so this is it. So then I'll repeat it with the strategy. Instead of that, then I'll repeat it with the strategy. Or if you don't know the strategy, you may say that, oh, it's not true. Yeah, that's why I said you have to know the strategy before. Yeah, so I think I have to end the blog and continue doing my trade, because today I need money. I always attend to the black market when I only urgently need money. When I need money urgently, that's where I attend to the black market. Yeah, because the black market is easy for you to make money. It's easy for you to make money. So let me close the vlog and let me continue doing my trade.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, hey. I used to grind 95, feeling trapped. Yeah. But then I found a way to break the map. Online opportunities to make some real cash. Now my bank account is looking worse. Making money online, it's the way to be. Financial freedom is the key to me. No more cubicle, no more stress and pain. Making money online, I'm living my best life. Yeah, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, to selling products online. My income's brand new.